Hello, I'm Boon. Welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you on how to pull all the data related to one condition only. Let's say given here John. Okay, so that means I put here John, all the John come here. So if let's say I change here Mike, so Mike got one only come here. Then I change to I set got three, right? Come here. Then Albert. So that means this to pull all data from one condition only in this range. Okay, so how to do? Okay, we go here. Okay, so to do this we need to set up this same. Then this one, for this one is only a data validation whereby I type John, Mike, I set Albert. Okay, then okay, so to start with, we go here, we set counting for what Mike number one or whatsoever. Okay, we use count if, count if. Okay, count this b2. Okay, colon, another comma, and b2 again, then close. Okay, then we want to copy down, we lock the top, the first cell here. Okay, F4, then enter. Okay, so we have one, or then we copy down here. So you see, it shows the frequency of the this one. Okay, so that means we want to, because we want to pull by this mic, so we have to join these two together. Okay, then we go here again, then we click here, use an ampersand sign to join mic b2 again. So that means you see b2 only this one we lock. Okay, enter. So we put, okay, so that means all this data which is not unique become a unique with the counter here. Okay, so that means the range will become cover the A column. Okay, okay, so here we put equal v lookup, simple v lookup. Okay, but lookup, that means you must have the one first. Okay, then we, for one, let's say we want to type one, we can type the row, R-O-W, row, we can type H1, that means it's row 1, right? Row H1 is 1. Okay, then join with this mic, join with mic. Okay, since we want to copy down, we lock it. Okay, then comma, then we, this is the range. Okay, we lock the range, comma. Okay, so for this one is 1 2, so it's 2 0, enter. Okay, then we copy down. Okay, so might we got, I mean got error. Okay, never mind, we ignore the error first. We test the, I set got 3, Albert got 4, then it's correct. Okay, let's say I copy here to here, I get the same answer because I put 2 only, column number 2 only, so it's always the buyer. So to make it dynamic, we have to change this columns, column, okay, column A, that means it's column I. So but we want number 2, that means it must minus I minus 7. Okay, that means I is 9, 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, enter. Okay, able. So then we pull here. You see, we got the answer already. Okay, that means it's there already. Okay, then because of error, we put the error message here. If error blank, then we copy here, then copy down. See, that means we get what we want already. Then here we go here, Mike 1, then John 1, then I set 1. Okay, so to do this, we just hide this. Okay, that's it. We get. So if you like my channel, please